A loud ticking or chirping noise from your GMC Sierra 3-liter engine means your high-pressure fuel pump is likely failing, and replacing it early is the only way to save your entire fuel system from metal contamination. The 3-liter Duramax uses a high-pressure pump that runs at extreme pressures to deliver fuel. When the internal bearings start to wear out from friction, they create a distinct metallic chirp. This rhythmic noise is most noticeable at idle or low RPMs when standing near the front of the truck. Ignoring this sound leads to catastrophic engine failure. The fuel pump will eventually shear itself apart internally. When this happens, it sends microscopic metal shavings directly through your high-pressure lines and into your expensive fuel injectors. This turns a straightforward pump replacement into a massive repair bill for a completely new fuel system. To confirm the pump is the actual problem, you need to use an automotive stethoscope. Place the metal probe directly on the high-pressure fuel pump housing near the front of the engine. If the chirping noise is loudest right there, the pump is definitely on its way out. The solution is pulling the intake manifold and replacing the high-pressure fuel pump assembly immediately. You should also pull the fuel metering valve on the old pump to check its screen for existing metal debris. If the screen is clean, replacing the pump right now will keep your Sierra on the road safely.